Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Tokyo Foodie Sarah. So today is a day off from work and I am meeting my best friend Rie at Yoyogi Park, near Yoyogi Park. We're going to a cafe that she wanted to go to. It's called 15 degrees or 15 in Japanese, which just means 15 degrees. I could have just gone to the nearest station, but because it's such a nice weather and I'm also, right now I'm cutting, I'm trying to lose some fat, so I thought I'd do some cardio. I got off at Harajuku station and I am now walking towards the cafe, which takes just under 20 minutes, so I guess it's like good cardio and I get to enjoy the sun. Yeah, it's an amazing day. It's really a nice area. So I'm walking just along the Yoyogi Park and I've actually never been inside the Yoyogi Park, but it's just beside me. I'm contemplating whether I should go in or not. It reminds me of Hyde Park a lot back in London. So yeah, I'm just walking towards the cafe and Rie and I are meeting there at 11 to have some brunch slash lunch. I don't think she's had breakfast. I had a bit of breakfast, just some protein and some apples and, well, half an apple and some yogurt. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a chill vlog. I hope I get to film some things. So we're gonna have some girl chat, eat some nice food and just have some coffee and chill. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hello, りえちゃんです。お久しぶり。かわいい。This cafe, 15 degrees, serves burgers, sandwiches, and rice balls for lunch. Rie went for this teriyaki burger, which was a special of the day. りえちゃん and teriyaki burger with fried egg. イエーイ。サムネになりそう。変わりました。奪い取りました。カシャッカシャッ。I got the yoga ball. There's some rice underneath. Yay! How's the burger? 大変だった。大変だった。It's very big. めっちゃ美味しい。やった。Just by the entrance, they had this wide variety of cakes. Oh my god. I swear we were trying to decide on the cake for like 10 minutes. Okay, I say we, but really I was the one that couldn't decide. I got myself a piece of cheesecake because I just could not resist. And Rie got herself the pudding. It's like a pudding cake. It looks nice. チーズケーキじゃないや、プディング。あなたね、全然。めっちゃ美味しそう。Give it a try. So apparently this layer is like rare cheesecake and this layer is like baked cheesecake. Oh, it's heavy. It's so dense. 濃厚。うま。りえちゃんも食べてる。I got a bite of Rie's cake because she's nice. Pudding though. So the top layer is like creme brulee, and there's a bit of like sponge inside, and then there's the pudding inside. It's very unique and nice. Did you guys notice anything? We're wearing the exact same shirt. Matching. Except different colors. We did not get it at the same occasion. Yeah. あ、本当だね。りえちゃん色付き。
これそうそう
血色マスク。ブラッドマスク。Coffee Supreme is a cafe from New Zealand. They have branches in New Zealand and Australia, and there's just one branch in Tokyo, which is this one. Iced coffee at the Coffee Supreme, and there's Ria in the background. What did you get?
なんだっけ
Latte.
ラテ
Latte with milk and condensed milk. I got the normal latte. Yeah. Yeah.
ノーマルラテ
Normal.
コールブルー
Cold, normal iced coffee. That's what I meant. 美味しいね。
美味しい
Eco straw, which is quite rare in Japan.
1個
Eco straw.
でも最近増えてきてるよね
確かに。At Cosme is a popular Japanese cosmetic portal where consumers can share reviews on various cosmetic products. This shop is run by At Cosme and is a great place for cosmetic lovers.
見て
かわ
食の良さを見
いい。
やばいのかな
That temptation. あ、いいね
なん。か
それ私の色っぽい。
一瞬でやばかった
Not your type. Both Rie and I couldn't resist the temptation. Here's what I got. This IKEA branch in Harajuku opened just last year, and they have a cafe attached to it. I've been to the IKEA restaurant quite a few times, but this was my first IKEA cafe. It's not very Instagrammable.
これどうかしら
Ria-chan with her new lipstick. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. We had so much fun today, right?
Yes,
Yeah, we went to... Oh, I was gonna say we went to a lot of cafes, but we only went to... Oh, we actually went to 3. IKEA, the first one, and the coffee one. Right.
そうだね
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up because it supports my channel, and also subscribe to see more future videos about Japanese foods and culture. Bye! Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Tokyo Foodie Sarah. I got myself some cold iced